G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today we're going to change the blade on the Ryobi One 18-volt lawn edger. So to change the blade, grab the two tools that come with the Ryobi One 18-volt. You'll have a spanner or a wrench and also this little bar which is round. First up, you want to take this bar and you want to line it up with the locking component in here. So if you have a close look down through here, you should be able to see there we've got that little hole there. And that alignment will change with that hole as you rotate this. So you can see that the hole is now not accessible. So we want to line this up with that hole and then take our bar and we want to slot that in, all the way in. And that is actually locking the blade in place so that it can't move. And then we can take our spanner. And so we're turning that in a counterclockwise motion and it will come loose. If you find this spanner that it comes with is hard to use, I actually did find the first time I took this off that because this is so thin, it actually is quite hard on the hand. And I found it didn't quite get enough leverage and actually was starting to damage around the edges of the bolt here trying to get it undone. So a good shifter or a larger spanner might be a good option. I actually used this the first time I undid it. After I redid it with the included spanner, I found it perfectly fine. But for the first time, a shifter or something like that that's got a much bigger handle that's longer, that'll give you more leverage, is a good way to go. Once we've got that off, we'll also remove this piece and then our blade will just come straight off like so. Now this piece here does actually come off as well. You don't need to take it off, but just so you're aware, if it falls off or something, no big deal. And now it's time to put our new blade on. So we put our new blade on. It doesn't have to line up anywhere specific, so wherever works for you, just slot that on there. And then we're going to go ahead and put this piece back on. Remember, the raised bit is pointing out. And then our bolt goes on. And then grab that spanner and then we'll tighten it up, just making sure this locking arm is in place so that it stays locked up nice and tight while we tighten it up. And we do want to make sure it is nice and tight. And again, if you find it's hard using this to actually do it up all the way tight, then just use a good shifter or a spanner instead, and that will give you more leverage and just make it a bit easier on yourself. So once that's done up nice and tight, we'll remove that locking pin and this should spin freely. And there you go, you're all good to go. So that is how you change the blades on the Ryobi One 18-volt trimmer. Check out the affiliate links down below if you're interested in getting one of these lawn edges, and also for replacement blades. I'll stick links for them down below as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.